In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and add users on Siteground for the year 2024. Whether you're new to the platform or just looking for a refresher on managing user access, this tutorial will guide you through each step with ease and clarity. Let's start by heading over to Siteground's main website. You'll want to open your preferred web browser and type in the URL world.siteground.com. This will take you to Siteground's homepage. Once you're here, you'll notice a login button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on it. This will lead you to the login page where you'll need to enter your credentials to access your account. After you've successfully logged in, the next step is to navigate to your Siteground account dashboard. Look for My Siteground account on the page. Clicking this will take you to your main account area where you can manage all your hosting services. Now within your account section, you'll see an option labeled Site Tools. This is the area where you can manage your websites more intimately, and it's where we'll be adding new users, so go ahead and click on Site Tools. Once inside the Site Tools section, direct your attention to the sidebar. Here you'll find various options related to the management of your websites. You're looking for the Users option. Clicking this will bring you to a page dedicated to user management. Now that you're in the Users section, look for the option that says Add Users. Clicking this will allow you to start the process of adding new individuals to your website management team. You'll see a form appear where you can input the details for the new user. When filling out this information, ensure that you accurately enter their email and assign the appropriate user role based on the level of access you want them to have. After filling out the necessary details, you'll notice an Add New User button. Click on New User, and then at the bottom of the form or next to it there will be an option labeled Add, which is your final step in confirming the addition of this user to your account. Completing these steps successfully will add the new user to your Siteground hosting account, granting them the access level you've assigned. It's a straightforward process that, when done correctly, enhances your team's ability to collaborate and manage your websites efficiently. By following these steps, you can easily manage user access on Siteground, ensuring a controlled and collaborative approach to website management. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.